today I'll teach you guys how you guys can add Pinterest widget on your iPhone. So it's pretty simple. Now basically this is called widget. Over here, as you guys can see at the top, you guys can see a clock. Right beside clock, a widget is going to appear. Now to add a widget, you want to click on, or like you want to hold on the empty part of your screen. Once you hold on the empty part of your screen, all of your app will start to jiggle. Now at the top left corner, you will see the plus button. Click on it. From over here, you want to click on where it says search widget, and over here you want to search for Pinterest. Once you search for Pinterest, click on Pinterest, and it is going to be added on your home screen like this. You can choose whichever size or format you want for the Pinterest to appear, and then click on add widget at the bottom, and just like this, widget will be added of Pinterest like this over here. So that is basically how you guys can add a Pinterest widget. If you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos like this. I'll see you guys in my next video, and if you guys have any question, feel free to ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.